Hi, I'm going to talk about you in Spain my week. I was in the teacher training program, a program as an sport manager for open school. Staying to on Thursday, they talking to us about the about our rules and teacher in the project. During those 4 days, they prepared us to teach the sport of the volleyball, basketball, soccer, and chess, and gave you guidance for creating teaching strategies. Teaching strategies. The program included accommodation, lunch, and certificate. Is this is in the location was is in